Good morning, grade 9 students. This is Miss Mooney. Today we're going to continue chapter 4, DNA, the Code of Life. Please open your books to page 119, lesson 3, Mutations. The objectives of the lesson. In this lesson, we are going to identify what is meant by mutation. We're going to describe the types of mutations and explain how can mutations affect an organism. What is mutation? Some traits are not inherited from parents. Traits can also be a result of a change in the DNA. A mutation is any change in the DNA of a gene or a chromosome. Mutations can cause a cell to produce an incorrect protein. As a result, the organism's traits may be different from what it normally would be. If the mutation occurs in body cells, the mutation will not pass on to the organism's offspring. But if a mutation occurs in sex cells, an egg or a sperm, the mutation can be passed on to an offspring and affect the offspring's traits. Types of mutation. Some mutations are a result of small changes in an organism's DNA. When one base pair is added to the DNA, this is called addition. When one base pair is removed, this type is called deletion. When one base pair is switched for another type, this is called substitution. These types of mutations can occur during the DNA replication process. The figure here illustrates or shows us the three types of mutations. Number 1, the sequence in the DNA shows an original sequence. Number 2, it shows us that one base pair has been removed, so it shows the type of mutation that is called deletion. Number 3 shows an addition of a base pair, and number 4 shows a substitution of a base pair. Other mutations may occur when chromosomes do not separate correctly during the formation of sex cells. When this type of mutation occurs, the cell may end up with too many or too few chromosomes. Mutations introduce changes in an organism. Mutations may be harmful or helpful, or neither harmful nor helpful. A mutation is considered harmful if it decreases the chances for survival and reproduction. Helpful mutations increase an organism's ability to survive and reproduce. Mutations have allowed some bacteria that are harmful to humans to become resistant to drugs. Bacteria with mutations are not killed by drugs, so they continue to survive and reproduce. As a conclusion, traits can also be a result of change in DNA. A mutation is any change in the DNA of a gene or a chromosome. We have three types of mutations: additions, deletion, and substitution. Mutations may be harmful or helpful, or neither harmful nor helpful. As an assignment for next time, please study pages 119 and 120 from the book. Complete figure 2, page 120, and do the assessment exercises, page 120. Please check the slides below to highlight the required information on your books. Thank you.